If you missed my previous video on how to clean crabs, please watch it when you get a chance. Thank you. Some of you wondered why I cleaned the crabs thoroughly before I cooked. The reason is we cook the crabs with spices and a lot of the flavor will be on the outside of the shell. So you will want to chew on the legs to get all the wonderful taste. Let's get started. Grind all the following ingredients: 2.5 tablespoons of black peppercorn, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons of freshly shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 1/2 chopped onion, and 1/2 chopped tomato. Make a nice paste and transfer it into a bowl. Into that add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and salt to taste. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. 1 to 2 stems of curry leaves, 1/8 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Also need 1/2 onion and 1/2 tomato chopped. In a big pot, add 3 tablespoons of oil over high heat. I'm using grapeseed oil. Once oil is hot, add mustard seeds and wait till they split, and the rest of the tempering ingredients, and reduce the heat to medium. Add onion and fry till they turn brown, and tomato, and fry them for a minute or two. Add ground masala and cook on medium-low until it releases oil. At this stage, add crabs and let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Cover and cook on medium until the crabs change their color. You can see the color has changed. Looks like it's done. It smells so great. Finally, garnish it with a cup of chopped cilantro. Let it stand for 5 minutes before you serve. It goes well with plain rice or any kind of bread. Thanks for watching. See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Bye bye.